Yes, Akapa Kilos our free a national anthem. Abu Kitos Katwanya Xberana Tarasari show, Alas Beron Hamburg.
The national anthem. You are on Ghetto TV Live here in Katakwi. We are singing the national anthem. You can see people standing at a distance here to enjoy.
Yes. Close kona atubaki ni kede ai John la pulun.
This is
so close kona ni ai John la pulun. Jai ne keda honorable Chailap. Jai is ngare no kolos is da jai glory. Jai ne keda kopi wa ni cha bulan Robert program. Jai do keda honorable ko atomo judi. Odo pipade keskere ngesmo pomon. So, as I
was saying, camera is not clear. Please find a way of getting us a better one. But that's all we can pay.
Era Messi que apurere. Ena apirol. Ochaila Michael Akabwai.
Those are his names. Akabwai, Ochaila Michael.
Mpilo Ngariam County.
MP Ngariam County.
2021-2026.
2021-2026.
How to use English, what my president will understand.
So, ilipiti honorable Chailapa, tiyesito suma musugunu, tutekenye eke president emisi kilingesi.
I am so happy to see everyone here today. It means we are happy, we are ready for change.
Tarabe ite enamba okaro alibunturone itodote bikapakinone ay julakin.
I don't want any one of you to fear for us to have better Katakwi.
Mamungese koto ijua wani kirelu jaine ajauni keda kuria ona iri amuni ne Katakwi.
My question is one to everyone in Katakwi. One question to you everyone.
Akaingise neja yini diope aoni kirelu jaine oniru.
And I want you to take this and answer by yourselves.
Koto ngojo aingari no sodijo abongoki nijo ilopet keda kona kwan.
I'm asking you how long?
Eja ngangise nija yobe awoja ule pia yi. Awoja ule pia yi. Ilo son irigoni kaya kibichano. Awoja ule pia yi.
Are we going to cry for better health system?
Awoja ule pia yi. Ilo son adauni monyi anu angale wokai julatin.
How long are we going to cry for poor education system?
Awoja ule pia ilo son adauni monyi asomano kona biloro na bilibilu na ane hapo po.
How long? My people of Katakwi, how long?
Ikatu walo Katakwi jenga sete ni jate sa awoja ule pia yi. Awoja ule pia yi kotoku. Awoja ule pia yi dari toni teterai kudoliki na pakale awoja ule pia yi.
The time is now.
Apaki bodona. Isolo Katakwi apaki bodona.
The time is now for us to change.
Apaki lolo naona ijulakin ido achamutai ijulakin.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Angoroke ditilo.
the time is now. Our president is here. And I want you to humbly give him all the votes. And let us change the scenario of our safari. We have enough is enough.
Is out of jail. Mamalina Zedrika Waru is out of jail. She has joined us.
For a long time, 34 years they are lying us about our cows. Where are they? Compensation. Until when? I want to unite and be one. This is National Unity Platform. We want unity among all of us. We have to be united together. Let us unite so that we can be able to president into power. And be able to get a better education system. So my question again goes to how long? Please ask yourself, how long are you going to be in this kind of and my answer is, this is our time. This is our time. Vote for president. For our president. Vote Honorable Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. His Excellency Kyagulanyi Bobi Wine Ssentamu. MP just MP radio Honorable Chailap Honorable Chailap Akawai Michael. Things all are finished. Then we receive our change. Thanks everybody. I want to invite the only the one and only one. Ngesibon is the only one who is going to change our lives. Yes, people in yes, people let us have Jolaki or Kaijar, let's let us have Jolaki or Kajan, yes, let us have Jolaki or Kalajar, and let us have Jolaki or Kalshoman, and let us have Jolaki in Rector. And let us have Makinon in Rector, okay, President, you people sent up Muchabulani rock back. Go to one, my president, President. There's you know the
Selecta de Vimo Viuma. Selecta de Vimo Viuma.
The people of Katakwi. The children of Katakwi. The women of Katakwi. The mothers of Katakwi. The men and fathers of Katakwi. The ghetto people of Katakwi. The elders of Katakwi. Thank you very, very much. Thank you very much for the warm welcome. I know they have intimidated you so much. I know they have deployed a lot of police and soldiers so that we don't meet, so that I don't talk to you. But I am very, very happy and very encouraged that you are strong people. I come to you not as a politician. I come to you not only because of this election. I come to you not because I am the oldest in this race. I come to you not because I'm a military general. I come to you not because I'm a professor. I come to you because I am one of you. This is not the usual election. I said this is not the usual election. This is a mission to freedom. I said this is a mission to freedom. For 35 years, we were made slaves in our own land. And if we are not made slaves in our own land, maybe I would not be offering myself to liberate this country. The last time many of you saw me, I was a Rasta man with long hair. The last time many of you saw me, I was a musician. But today, because we have failed to find anybody to save us, we must save ourselves. So even if I am running for president, even if I am the leader of this mission, I cannot do it alone. We must do it together. I know the elders that are present here know the pain that they've gone through for so long. I know many young people my age and below don't know that they are actually slaves. But I want to tell you that Katakwi has ever been better. Once upon a time, the same education that was all over Uganda was in Katakwi. Once upon a time, boys and girls would come from Katakwi and they would compete on the national and international level. Once upon a time, women never used to die when they are giving birth because there were drugs in the hospitals. Once upon a time, the land in Katakwi belonged to the people of Katakwi. Once upon a time, the people of Katakwi had their own cows. But I know that you know that your land has been taken and they continue to grab your land. That they took your cows and they continue to take them. And all that is done under the watch of the current leadership. So what I am here to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, I said what I'm here to tell you today is that it is time to stop all of that. We are here to say enough is enough. I say we are here to say enough is enough. I know the Electoral Commission gave us very little time for the campaign. Because their boss, Yoweri Museveni is a very old man and he cannot move the entire country. But I want to tell you that we are going to use this very little time to reach as many Ugandans as possible. And because that I know that these people fear the message that I bring to you. Because this message is not only for election. This message is to open your eyes. So that you know that the power is in your hands. And the time is now. If we don't save ourselves, people are planning to keep us slaves for the next 50 years. Now, why am I running for president? I am running for president because I know that together as a generation, and together as a population, young people, the old people, the men and the women can come together and make a difference. I am running for president because we want to start a new Uganda. What does the new Uganda look like? In the new Uganda, everybody will be equal, no matter the tribe, no matter the gender. In the new Uganda, our hospitals will be working because they will have drugs. In the new Uganda, our nurses and doctors and all health workers will be respected and paid in time. In the new Uganda, our schools will be the schools that our children deserve. When I was growing up, I saw how educating a child became hard and hard and hard. Many of you are forced to sell their cows and their land to educate your children. But even after school, your children don't have jobs. We undertake to create 5 million jobs by the year 2025. In the new education system of a new Uganda, we shall respect the academics. But again, we are going to respect talent, athletics and arts. I know in the past we had so many world champions coming from this land. But today talent is not respected. So in the new Uganda, our schools are going to be producing doctors and doctors will be getting jobs. Engineers will be getting jobs. And all other different professions. But most importantly, ladies and gentlemen, in the new Uganda teachers, our teachers are going to be paid well and on time. Uganda na itete ibuna yele pote okimwalimu na dumu na pecho na itekoro ido dumulete apacho to mapas. I could go on and on and on, ladies and gentlemen. Alose ngonga rindo kunya kini ngari rindo yata kita alose ngar na ngaro kedikilio. But I don't believe in words, I believe in action. Alose nga abanga alose chamro ko alose nga chamro to masomi shoit. I'm sure you have had so many promises in the past campaigns. But one important promise I want to give you today is that if you make me your president, I will not be your boss. Mama Abuna Raone Ekuze boss, I will be your servant. Abuna Raone Ekuze Jana Kinam. In the new Uganda, ladies and gentlemen, everybody will be proud to be called a Ugandan. Because Uganda is so rich, but Ugandans are so poor. Because the current President Museveni has made our country his property and his family. That must end and that will end. Now my brothers and sisters, because we don't have so much time, allow me to conclude by telling you about the election that we are going for. I know all of you are going to vote for me and my brother here, Uchaila. And I know that you're going to vote for so many leaders who want change in Uganda. But I also know that Museveni is planning to steal the election using the police and the army. But the one thing that is different in this election that has never been there before is that Museveni has never faced so many young people. He has never faced so many young people. He has never faced so many tired people. He has never faced so many angry people. And he has never faced so many united people. And that is what he is facing today. I want you to believe in yourselves. And I want you to be confident. But this election is not going to be a miracle. A miracle. We are going to plan for it. And we are going to prepare for it. You know, in the past, I said sure that I don't move all over the country. But God has made it that we are talking today. I want to ask all of you, ladies and gentlemen, not to leave it to me. I'm not asking you to believe in me alone. I am asking you to believe in yourselves. I'm asking you to believe in our unity and our ability to change things in Uganda. I want it to go in the books of history that the men and the women of Uganda, the common people, the poor people, the ordinary people, chased away a dictator. So please, everyone here should become a campaigning manager.
So I
say I'm requesting all of you to become campaigning managers. And organize yourselves in different groups. Encourage everybody to turn out and vote. Listen to me, my brother, my sister. Every vote is important. I say every vote is important. Even for the old man or old woman who cannot walk. Please carry them to the polling station and let them cast their vote. When Museveni was my age, he and his fellow rebels had to cause the death of more than 500,000 people for him to become president. We are not violent. I say we are not violent. We don't use guns. We want to use our vote because our vote is our gun. Please come out in large numbers and vote. And after voting, please don't leave the polling station. If we all do that across the country like we are going to do it, we are going to see the end of dictatorship. And Uganda will change forever. I say Uganda will change forever. I say Uganda will change forever. I know some of you don't believe what I'm saying. But Nelson Mandela one time said, it always seems impossible until it is done. Let us do this for our grandfathers. Let us do this for all those people that have died fighting for freedom. Let us do this for our mothers and fathers that have lost hope in change. Let us do this for our children that must be born in a new Uganda. Let us do this for these little children that deserve better and must get better. I thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for listening to me. And I want to come back to Katakwi as the president of Uganda. And we shall develop Katakwi together where nobody is tear gassing us, where nobody is beating us. I appreciate you, ladies and gentlemen. And before I leave, I want to salute these people. I want to salute Anukure J. Roba. That is our LC3 candidate. I want to salute Akom Judia. Sorry, my accent is not good, but it's called Achom. That is our LC5 candidate. I want to salute Malinga Julie. That is our LC3 candidate. I want to salute Onyait Michael. That is our youth candidate. I want to salute my brother Omoding Julius. And I want to salute Mary Julius. These young people are doing a great job. Yeah, but again, I'm not going to forget Anguma Helen, our district coordinator. Thank you very much, brothers and sisters. Yeah, maybe all these other coordinators, they're actually the same, but I will repeat them. Anukore John Robert, Achom Judith, Malinga Julius, Omeri Morris, Onyait Michael, Omodi Rashid, and Omoding Julius. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. We are running out of time, so allow us to go to the next destination. I say we are fighting for freedom. Oh, China is fighting for freedom. Blessed God, I look forward to seeing you and seeing my brother in Parliament. One love.
We are fighting for freedom. Jaguranyi, we are fighting for freedom.
These are our candidates. These are
people of Teso, people of Kabaramaido, Amayo Irene Ajobu, aspiring man MP Kabaramaido District, Jama Berma Dango Nyanga Amayo Irene, Jacob Kabaramaido District, Atetu Mode Mon, Kabaramaido District, Apoyo Nusana, Tino saying Ariam, Motimode, which I love can, take the president to have His Excellency Robert Changula, Apoyo Nusana, people power, our power. Please come 2021. Thank
As MC Challenge about the entire Justin music as Chakwan, go to
What the message? There is new message to the people of Katakwi for that. The National Unity Platform has a plan to protect its vote, to protect its victory, and this time round it won't be a different story. It won't be the same story. That was Katakwi. The people of Katakwi. The people of Katakwi. The people of Katakwi. The people of Katakwi. This Katakwe, Teso Sub-Region. Katakwe. Take a look at this guy. The people of Katakwe. The people of Katakwe. The people of Katakwe are sending a message to Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. The people of Katakwe are saying this is the National Young Printer platform and it will unite all Ugandans in the east, in the west and in the south. We are now in Kataki town. We are soon leaving this town to head to another district which is Amoria. Then we shall wind up the day in Soroti. This is Katakwe. The people of Katakwe. We are getting out of Katakwe. We are getting out of Katakwe and we shall be going to Amoria. Now headed to